here. I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a shorter video because it's going to be a room tour of Austin's room. He wanted to share it with you. We just put a fresh coat of paint on the walls. I've shown you guys his room before, but we rearranged a few things and changed some things up, and he wanted to share it with you. So, well, I asked him if he wanted to share it with you, and he was fine with me sharing it with you. So I'm gonna take you through the room, show you everything that we did. I'm really excited about it. If you are new to the channel and you're not aware, Austin has the smallest room in the house. Originally, we had both of the boys sharing the larger of the two bedrooms. This was a couple of years back, and then we split them up, and we had Robbie in the smallest bedroom and Austin in the other bedroom that's a little bit larger. At that point in time, he had a ton of toys and things, so it made sense for him to have the larger room. But as they got older, Robbie had a weight bench and a few other odds and ends, and he just outgrew this small room. So we flip-flopped them, and Austin has loved having the smaller room. He said it's super easy to clean. He has a place for everything. It's been working out great. So it's a very small bedroom, but I feel like he's really used the space to his advantage and maximized what he can fit in here, and he really loves it. So I'm going to take you through his room, give you a quick tour of everything. Hope you guys will enjoy. Alright, so we're going into Austin's room. So like I said, he's got a very small room, but he likes it a lot. He says it's super easy to clean. There he is. You like your room, don't you? Mm-hmm. He is on his bed doing what he does best. He's playing Minecraft. But this is the paint color that Eric put on the walls. It is Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. There's a couple of spots that are still drying, so the spots that look lighter than the rest, that's still wet. He just touched everything up, but it looks really good in here. If you guys saw it before, it was very dingy, and looks much better now. But let's go ahead and give you a tour. So this is it. This is the room. It's pretty small, like I said, but he likes it. It has a place for everything he owns. He's happy with it, and it's easy to keep clean, he says. So right here to the left on the floor, he has his little toy bin. Just has a few things. He doesn't have very many toys left that he still plays with. He has his little lap desk in there. He does his homework on there and whatnot. We love that lap desk. It's nice and big. So yeah, we love that lap desk. It's nice and big. It's one of the biggest lap desks I can find. It was from Amazon. But he just sits on his bed here and does his homework or colors or draws or writes or whatever. So there's that. This little Sterilite bin is full of all of his different Skylanders and things. Somewhere on my channel he has a video where he showed you guys all of these. Like, he's got his 100,000 of them.
I got more though.
Since that video you've gotten a lot more, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We have a little coat rack here where he just hangs his backpacks and his hoodies and things that he is using. So there's that. Right here he has his TV, nice and large. It is on a little bookcase. This bookcase was in my bathroom. This is the infamous bookcase that held the TV that was in the bathroom that everybody in the comments section of the one video where I showed that were freaking out about how gross it was. That TV got a new home in the camper, so the shelf is in here. It fits perfectly in this little spot between the end of the bed and the wall. And on there is just his Xbox and things, which he can actually access really easily through this little slat. So it's like it was made to go there.
I wanted to point out there's one more thing in my room that is in here most of the time is my kitty.
Your kitty, yes. So, very cute. This Austin is Sirius's favorite person in the entire world. So, then we have his bed. It's just a twin-size bed. The bedding is from Amazon. He has his little medals hung on either of the bedposts. He's got his kitty. How cute is that? I might make this the thumbnail. Look at me. Jeez. Okay, so he has the curtains. Eric's mom made these curtains. They fit perfectly in the window. They're just little soccer balls. He's got his little picture hung up there on the wall. Then he has his bookcase. This stores all of his favorite things. He's got all his favorite books here. This is a painting that he did. We did this at a
Year ago.
Cookies and Canvas. That's what it's called. I couldn't think of it. It's sort of like a paint and pour only for kids at the school. He's got all of his stuffed animals up here, and he's got a little Imaginext castle that just fits perfectly up there. He thinks it looks cool up there, so he's got that up there, and his all of his little Lego creations and things. A little box with all of his treasures and his Echo Dots there. So just all of his favorite things. He has his golf clubs along the side. He has some things stored up under the bed. Not a lot of things, but a few, which is kind of where he keeps his odds and ends. And that's basically the room. And then we have the closet. So in the closet, in addition to painting, Eric also hung these shelves here, which are great for clothing storage, because we were hanging all of Austin's clothes, and Austin hates hanging clothes. He hates it, hates it, hates it. That's like his least favorite chore. So given the option to put these shelves in here for his clothes, he chose that. And you guys may recognize these shelves. These used to be in my closet of doom, where we had all of my pots and pans and things before we redid the kitchen and put the fridge in that little alcove. These shelves were in there, and we just repurposed them in here. Eric put a little shoe shelf in along the bottom as well for all of Austin's shoes. And then he just has a little hamper here for his dirty clothes. And then we have this giant mess, which is my fault. I'm the one that stacked all of those up in there. It needs to be all pulled down and reorganized, but not today. That's another day. And then he just has his winter coat here, which he's obviously not using right now since we have summer weather. So that is it for Austin's room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed checking it out. I think it looks so much better with the fresh paint. How are you liking it, Austin?
It's great.
Loving it. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.